Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I am back with another video, and this time I'm just sharing a little bit of a refresh that I did here in my living room, and just sharing some updates that I did. I did a little bit of a rearranging just to give my living slash family room a more cozy feel when entertaining, or even when watching a movie or just watching regular shows on TV. So what I did, guys, here in the living room, if you've been watching me for a while, you've known how I usually have my living room situated. Usually my sectional is usually more to this area here where you see my hands are pointing, and more in front of the window area. So to give it more of a cozier feel when watching TV or watching movies, I sort of decided to just place it here more to the middle of my living room area, which gives it a more of a cozier vibe, and you're like, you know, in front of the TV a lot better having it in this position. Plus it gives the living room a little more of a, you know, a new sort of look, which I like, because since living here I've pretty much always had it in front of the window area here. There are times where I've had it in this area here, but I just love the look of it just facing the TV, which still gives a lot of space that you can walk and get to the sectional or sit here or go into the dining room. So I kind of love this look, and I wanted to complement these beautiful velvet and silver stools that I purchased at Wayfair about 2 years ago. So I went ahead and I added these beautiful velvet gray silver pillow covers, which I shared in a Amazon haul. My sectional may come off of a creamy tone on camera, but in person it's actually sort of it has like really light green tones in it. I don't remember what fabric it is, but I did purchase it from a local furniture store. The bigger pillows that you see that matches the sectional, they do come with a different color on the opposite side, which I don't really like. And what I've been doing a lot since I've had this sectional is just playing around with different colors that would suit best with it. For the most part, I love having the black pillow covers because it looks really, really nice with black. And as you guys know, black and white is my main year-round aesthetic and colors that I keep in my space. And it's mixed with a lot of silver, metal, silver decor and accessory pieces, because I'm not much of a gold person. So silver is like my main choice when it comes to accessorizing my space, along with my black and white. So like I said, I've been playing around with different colors, and I think the black with the gray silver pillows look really, really nice. And like I said, I shared these in an Amazon haul. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it and you can check it out. These pillows are also velvet. They're really, really great material. They're nice and soft. They give the sectional a really nice, elegant look, which I really, really like. And then this is a full fur throw blanket that I picked up from, I think, HomeSense a while back. And then it also complements my carpet a little bit much better, which I really like. The carpet area rug, I should say, is from Walmart. I purchased 2 of them. I did have one in the dining room area under my dining room table. I ended up giving that one to my daughter. I really want to invest in a area rug that has the colors that I usually style and decorate year round. And I think something more with like a little bit of blacks and creamy whites and gray would look really, really nice. And it would go with any type of pillow cover changes that I may switch out for collaborations, or just to share like a pop of color to show you what it would look like. But for the most part, this is usually how my space would really look, minus the gray pillows. They would be white. And then here on my coffee table, I shared these coffee table books with you guys in a recent Amazon haul. elements of style, and this beautiful black Chanel. Other than that, all of the other decor I've had for a while, you guys have seen in the space. So there's nothing that's really new in the space other than the gray and silver pillows, along with this beautiful tree that I got from Amazon as well, which is also in the Amazon haul that I shared with you guys. The the end table is a thrift find. It was painted in a couple coats of chalk paint. These are some more Amazon books. The Vogue, the Jackie Chan book is from HomeSense. The lamps are from the matching lamps. One is here and I have another one on my console table. That is from Winners. The Eiffel Tower, I think I got that from either HomeSense or Winners. The coasters are from HomeSense. This is another black and white book from Amazon. These Glam candle holders are from HomeSense. This tray is actually from, this mirror tray is actually from Winners, and I do have a smaller one. The vase is a DIY. I spray painted the inside black, and these glass vases, you can get them at the dollar store. The greenery is from Michaels. And then my TV is it's an LG. It has Alexa, it has all of the apps, and it is a smart TV. All of the decor, the Glam candle holders are from Amazon. These ones are from HomeSense, and this is a DIY. I painted black, the battery operated candles, and then I added a bit of glitter. So that's pretty much it here. And my sectional in this chair comes from the same local furniture store company. This is another pillow cover from Amazon. All of my inserts are a mix and match of Winners and HomeSense, and these pillows allow you to chop, which I like. The insert of this pillow here is from Jisk, and I have 4 of these cute little Glam sequins pillow covers. I think those ones are 18 by 18. They're from Amazon, and they also come in gold. And that's pretty much it, guys. So not much new decor. I haven't really been seeing any new decor accessorize decorative pieces to change up the space, so I'm pretty much just working with what I have currently. Right now in HomeSense and Winners, I'm seeing a lot of more of outdoor decor to accessorize and decorate your outdoor space. So I'm waiting maybe for like fall when they start putting out things. Hopefully I can find some new pieces, but at this moment I honestly really don't need a lot. And I forgot to tell you guys, these candle holders, these no longer exist in the dollar store. I've had these for like so many years. They are from Dollarama. The candles I recently got from HomeSense. They were like $5.99 each. And then this cute little table is a nesting table that comes with a taller one. It was actually gold and I spray painted it black, but in the middle I couldn't change out the gold, so the black, so I left it gold. This comes in a pair. I have 2 of them from HomeSense. I've added some tulips that I got from Amazon. This was a recent thrift find that I spray painted black, and then I just added this palm branch that I got from Michaels. And then the candle is from HomeSense. And this is the living room, guys. I really love the coziness and how everything looks. It just gives the space, sort of a different vibe by just changing the sectional around. So I really love how this turned out. Nice and cozy, facing the TV for movie watching and all that. And then on the wall, I just have some DIY canvas art that I painted black, and I just added a little bit of glitter and The mirror is from HomeSense. I've actually had that mirror for many, many years. It's those starburst mirrors that they used to carry a long time ago. You no longer can find these type of mirrors anymore in HomeSense or Winners. It was actually, I think, silver or gold or something like that, and I spray painted it black to go with all of my aesthetics. The white 96-inch panels on the windows are from HomeSense. I've had those for a couple years, and the black ones on each end are also 96 inches. They are from Jisk. So I really love how everything looks and how cozy, and yeah, I love this look. So moving on to this area, for the most part, over here everything is pretty much stuff that I've already had, and I just usually shop my home and just move things around. So here is my console table, which is actually a sofa table that I use as a console table. At the bottom, guys, I just have 2 lanterns that I got from Jisk, and I have some battery operated candles in it. The black and white basket came from HomeSense a few years back, and I've added 2 pillows to just add a little bit of a decorative touch to it. The pillow at the back has a 18 by 18 velvet pillow cover, which is the same material as the ones that I have on my sectional. Both pillow covers are from Amazon, and this is a matching one to the one that's in my animal print chair. And I did mention to you guys it comes in a set of 4, and I think they're 16 by 16, and they also come in gold as well. Over here I have some candle holders that I got from HomeSense. They were silver originally when I purchased them, and I went ahead and I spray painted them black, and I've also added some battery operated candle to the candle holders. These candles actually come with a remote, so you can turn them on and off with a remote, or you can turn them on and off with the little button that's at the bottom of them. So on the top of my table, guys, the table is from the same local furniture store that I got my animal print chair as well as my sectional. I have this beautiful vase that was actually a glass vase that I spray painted the inside black. The peonies are from Amazon, and then in the middle I have some more coffee table books that I purchased from Amazon as well. This piece is from HomeSense, and I've had it for a while. You can use this as a decorative item like I am right now. You can use it as a fruit bowl for your fruits in the kitchen. The moss balls are from Amazon. And then this is the other matching lamp to the other one that is on my end table near the sectional. And the lamps, like I mentioned, they are from Winners. The beautiful mirror that you see there came from Jisk. It was white. It was actually in my bedroom, and now I have it here in the living room, and I spray painted it black. The mirror to the left, to the right of me, is from the same company that I purchased this mirror. So it also came from Jisk, and it did have a bit of a crack. So I ended up getting it for a really great deal. And that's pretty much it, guys. And I love how this area looks. So guys, this wraps up another video. I just wanted to come on today and just share with you, what I did here in the living room, and just show you how I've added some of the decor and things that I shared in my recent Amazon haul with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new and watching for the first time, welcome, welcome. And if you are a returning family member, welcome back. And thanks so much for each and every one of you supporting my channel, leaving beautiful comments, sharing my videos. I do really appreciate it. If you are watching for the first time and you're not a subscriber and you've watched the video to the end, I would love for you to subscribe, guys. Hit the bell twice to get notified whenever I drop new videos. Have a beautiful rest of the day. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Thanks so much for tuning in and supporting me on another video. And I will talk to you guys in another video really soon. Bye, guys.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you. You're not by yourself. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore.